When it comes to survival and self-defense, a reliable folding knife can be your most trusted ally. Compact, powerful, and ready at a moment's notice, the right folder combines utility with tactical performance. Whether you're facing the unpredictable outdoors or a critical threat, having the perfect blade in your pocket makes all the difference. In this lineup, we've handpicked 10 of the most capable folding knives built for survival and self-defense, each tested for strength, speed, and dependability. From rugged tactical tools to refined EDC powerhouses, these are the ultimate folders to rely on when it matters most. When it comes to battle-tested reliability, the CRKT M16 stands tall. Designed for tactical professionals and everyday warriors, this folding knife boasts a 3.875-inch black serrated Tonah blade, crafted from AUS-8 steel for a razor-sharp edge and solid durability. The flipper opener ensures quick, effortless deployment, while the liner lock with LAWKS safety provides extra security, transforming it into a virtual fixed blade when engaged. The black aluminum handle is both lightweight and rugged, featuring steel liners for added strength without unnecessary bulk. At 9.5 inches overall, this knife balances power and precision with a reversible tip-up carry clip for ambidextrous convenience. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or gearing up for adventure, the CRKT M16 is built to perform under pressure. With its proven design and unwavering dependability, this knife isn't just a tool, it's a trusted companion for those who demand the best. Built for rugged dependability and relentless cutting power, the Microte Stitch Automatic is a battle-ready beast designed in collaboration with Microte custom knives and Borka blades. Featuring a fully serrated Wharncliffe blade crafted from premium Baller M390 steel, this knife tears through tough materials with ease, while the apocalyptic finish gives it a bold, no-nonsense look. A push-button automatic opener delivers instant blade deployment, backed by a rock-solid button lock for one-handed operation and maximum security. The textured natural aluminum handle offers a sure grip, even in the harshest conditions, while the tip-up pocket clip ensures quick and easy carry. Whether you're on duty, in the field, or tackling demanding tasks, the Microte Stitch Automatic is built to perform without fail. This isn't just a knife, it's a cutting-edge force of nature, ready for anything. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2 is a legendary folding knife known for its premium build quality and outstanding performance. Featuring a 3.44-inch CPMS for 5VN blade, it offers exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for survival and self-defense. The full flat grind ensures effortless slicing, while the iconic spider hole allows for quick, one-handed deployment. Its G10 handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in extreme conditions. The compression lock ensures rock-solid blade stability while allowing for smooth, easy closing with one hand. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable enough for heavy-duty use. With its razor-sharp blade, ergonomic design, and tactical reliability, the Spyderco Paramilitary remains a top choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether for EDC, survival, or self-defense, this knife is built to handle any challenge. The Hogi X01 is a premium automatic folding knife designed for tactical and everyday carry. Engineered for durability, speed, and precision, this knife features a 3.5-inch or 4-inch blade, depending on the variant, crafted from 1.5 stainless steel, known for its edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. The blade comes in a drop point or Tonah style, offering versatility for cutting, piercing, and slicing tasks. Equipped with push-button automatic deployment, the XA01 ensures rapid one-handed opening, making it ideal for emergency and tactical situations. The safety lock mechanism prevents accidental deployment, adding to its reliability. Its ergonomic aluminum handle, available in multiple finishes, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even under tough conditions. Whether for self-defense, military, or outdoor survival, the Hogi X01 delivers high-performance cutting power and rapid deployment, making it a top choice for professionals and knife enthusiasts. The Zero Tolerance 0308 is a heavyweight folding knife built for those who demand maximum strength in a compact form. Designed for hard use, this tactical beast features a 3.75-inch CPM 20 CV stainless steel blade offering exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting power. Its aggressive drop point profile and black oxide finish give it both visual appeal and battlefield-ready functionality. Opening is fast and smooth thanks to ZT's KVT ball bearing system and robust flipper tab, while the titanium frame lock with steel lock bar insert ensures rock-solid blade security during intense use. The front handle scale is made from textured G10 for a no-slip grip, even in wet or gloved conditions. Whether you're tackling survival tasks or facing urban threats, the ZT0308 is engineered to perform under pressure. Built in the USA and crafted like a tank, this knife is a no-nonsense tool for serious users who need reliability above all. The Kaiser Sheep Dog XL is a bold, oversized folding knife designed to dominate heavy-duty tasks with brute strength and style. Sporting a massive 4-inch blade made from premium 1.5 stainless steel, this cleaver-style beast delivers outstanding cutting power, edge retention, and corrosion resistance perfect for survival, self-defense, or everyday utility on a larger scale. Its wide blade excels at slicing, chopping, and push cuts, while the stone-washed finish adds durability and rugged aesthetics. The smooth ball-bearing pivot system allows for effortless one-handed deployment via the flipper tab, making it fast and responsive in urgent situations. The G10 handle scales are contoured for a secure, ergonomic grip, providing control and confidence during intense use. Despite its size, the Sheep Dog XL feels balanced and manageable in hand. Whether you're tackling the outdoors or standing your ground, the Kaiser Sheep Dog XL is a folding powerhouse built for those who believe bigger is better. The Gerber Fast Draw Tonah is a sleek, tactical folding knife designed for rapid deployment and everyday defense. Featuring Gerber's patented forward action spring technology, this knife opens lightning fast with just a flick of the thumb, giving you immediate access when seconds matter most. Its 3-inch Tonah style blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, offering excellent piercing strength and edge durability ideal for tactical use and tough cutting jobs. The partially serrated edge adds versatility, allowing you to slice through rope, fabric, or other tough materials with ease. The handle features textured thermoplastic scales for a solid, non-slip grip, while the safety lock mechanism ensures the blade stays secure during carry. Compact and lightweight, the fast draw is easy to clip in your pocket and forget until you need it. For those who want speed, utility, and tactical precision in one affordable package, the Gerber Fast Draw Tonah is a solid choice. The Benchmade 175 Adamas is a powerhouse tactical knife built for extreme durability and reliability. Designed for military and survival applications, it features a 3.8-inch CPM crewwear steel blade, known for its incredible toughness and edge retention. The drop point blade is finished with Benchmade's signature coating for added corrosion resistance. One of its standout features is the axis lock mechanism, providing smooth deployment and rock-solid lockup. The textured G10 handle ensures a secure grip even in wet or harsh conditions. Plus, with a full stainless steel liner, it offers exceptional strength. Designed for heavy-duty use, the 275 Adamas is perfect for combat, self-defense, and survival situations. If you need a rugged and reliable folding knife that thrives in tough environments, the Benchmade 175 Adamas is a battle-ready choice. The SOG Seal XR is a rugged, high-performance tactical knife designed for military, law enforcement, and hardcore survivalists. Built to handle extreme conditions, this made-in-the-USA knife delivers the strength and reliability needed for high-stakes missions. Featuring a 3.9-inch cryogenically heat-treated CPMS 35VN steel blade, the Seal XR offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. Its partially serrated clip point design makes it ideal for both cutting and piercing tasks. What sets this knife apart is its XR lock mechanism, allowing smooth, ambidextrous one-handed deployment with a simple flick of the thumb or finger. The glass-reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure grip even in wet conditions, making it a reliable tool in combat or survival situations. With its military-grade build, razor-sharp edge, and fast deployment, the SOG Seal XR is a top-tier tactical folder built for real-world performance.